Este es el gatillo binario. Ya está montado. Funciona de la siguiente manera. Ahí dio, lo dejaste hundido y vuelve a salir cuando lo soltaste. Vuelvo a nuevo. Hundo, dejándolo hundido, suelto y ahí dio gatillo de nuevo. Okay, so to test you so you could see the binary trigger. Fires, leaving the finger in the back, you eject, fires again when you release your finger, right? So this is like the coolest thing I have ever seen. So now it has the Geissele Super 42 with the spring, has the binary trigger. The only thing that I don't like is that I have to remove this to be able to install this, because this one is unique, special for this, and if you try to use a different one, you know, you're not gonna be able to make it. So this is my gas tube. This is V7 gas tube, extreme use. So this is like I think it's Econel, something like that. This is the hardest one in the market right now. This is the one that it had, the cheap one it brings. So now it has this. My barrel is a NATO 556. Right? So everything is done. Everything is done. My ball carrier. All right. And where is it? And my charging handle is from Geissele too. All right. So that's about it. I'm going to reassemble everything back again. Everything is done. Everything is nice, running smooth. So I'm gonna see you later whenever I installed everything back again. Okay, so everything is assembled like it was. All right, so now you can't see the gas tube because it's black. All right, so I like it. All right, so I'm tired. Okay. Charging handle. Everything came out very nice. A little soil. It's just one little touch. You don't need nothing else. Just one touch. Okay, everything is done. Everything looks good. safe mode, fire mode, good. Okay, let's try the echo mode. Everything okay. All right, so here's how it works. Fire. You let your finger on. Fires again. Fires again. Fires again. All right, so it's done. All right. So everything is built. So I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna just try to get everything sorted out and organized. And I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. You have a great one.